Ladies and gentlemen, we are live.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Trench Capital with myself and Alphaballer. And I was having some mic issues. The microphone's broken, guys. I'm gonna have to get a new Shure mic. But hey, GG's. How's the market looking, Mr. Baller?
Oh, what's up, everyone? What's up, chat? I mean, markets are looking broken as your mic, man. You know, some things just get along. Market broken, stocks broken. Trump is breaking my backs again with his quantum computing signed stuff. So it's been rough since we were watching yesterday, and the markets were getting to that mile line where it was like, you know, it was at the resistance basically, and just the sell-off was insane and so fast that it dumped like insane from 60, 65 and something just back to under 62 we went today, like crazy sell-off, and all that just based on Trump getting some signings, stock market crash. We had some companies that hold Bitcoin getting removed from S&P 500. All around you look, and the market is like broken, man. So
62,400.
like
I mean, it looks like it's break. I mean, we're on the weekly time frame here, but like if you go on the daily, you know, it's not looking good, bruv. Not looking good. Yeah, on the weekly time frame, even the MGC indicator is saying, bro, up top here, everything's basically bullish. You know,
everything is bullish.
Sorry, bearish.
Oh,
it's all bearish.
I got confused. Like, oh, well,
it's only 20% away from our marker, man. The 377. You know, and here's my line. Potential bottom. You know, based off of calculations, based off of maybe the 4-year cycle theory. It's not far away as we come into June, end of June, coming into July, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. I don't know. I could be wrong. Maybe I'm too bearish. But yeah, I mean, price wise, not looking good, right? Not looking good. Literally, we spoke on stream yesterday, and you were getting hyped. And
oh yeah, we were so close to that resistance zone, man. You know, it's like I was getting high because it was Monday pump. You say it was a manipulation. It was a manipulation, clearly, because like the rejection was, I was like, what the fuck? I wasn't expecting that pump so fast, but the rejection was way faster. So we just see the sell-off. You just continue the bearish trend, man. Everything. Like some altcoins did really break out, kind of. Just some strong altcoins like that were bottomed and they had some momentum, like Aerodrome, and because they got introduced to the new launch of B20 contracts on base, and some other stuff that really, you know, pumped during Monday and continued into the Tuesday. But man, overall, just fucking so bearish. Everyone kind of disappeared from my timeline. There was like so few people left that are actually interested in what's going on into crypto. So
is there anyone? Yeah, exactly, man. Like,
is there anyone, guys? Leave a comment. Like, retweet the stream. You know, join also on Kick if you're watching us on YouTube or on X, make sure to drop a follow or subscribe on Kick as well, because we are trying to grow that as much as possible. So yeah,
looking at the White House just put this out actually as we were preparing for the stream. Record oil is flowing and gas prices are tumbling. All-time record.
I mean, it's not a bad time. It's not a bad time. Trump is literally telling you guys, it's summer outside, just book a vacation. Oils are down. I would say tickets are kind of cheap, you know? tickets are kind of cheap, man.
Well,
You
that's
can
where
just
I mean. That's where
book a
it's
flight
like
for $100 and go into another country and just enjoy a little
not
bit
in
of
the
the
States,
summer, you
bro.
know?
In Europe, yeah, but not in the States.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah,
know
yeah.
about that.
I mean, I have no idea what in the States is going on, but in Europe, you literally can book a ticket for $100 and just go to another country, enjoy a little bit the summer, you know, get some tan, you know, get some vitamin D, a little bit prepare for the good times that will come in 2 weeks.
So it's just coping, yeah. Speaking of coping, by the way,
Oh, what? Put it like in a, you know, let's say 4 hours, because I just made a post that we had a nice a nice Christmas tree, you know. Yeah. So some people took profits, made a lot of money, and it's like, you know, Christmas came early.
Christmas came early to
double trade for
if you're laundry staff or some sort of like you know, fucking canteen staff, like Christmas came early for you if you're in SpaceX, because look at that.
Oh,
That
for
is-
sure. I mean,
brutal.
you can, this chart is actually insane, man. The way that it even pumped, you know, from the first day and continue with the whole AI bubble, it's actually impressive.
No, 100%.
I have only
100%.
to congratulate those 4,000 people that became millionaires from the SpaceX IPO. They're still in huge profits, even at this price, right? And Elon just lost a couple of billions, like 150 billions. He's still a trillionaire, so there is not too much into that.
Facts, bro.
But yeah,
I mean, he's he's still worth a ridiculous amount. And Peter Thiel, by the way, one of the biggest investors in SpaceX, is worth a shit ton of money. So shout out to Peter Thiel and his views on the Antichrist. That guy's a fucking weirdo. Ethereum. Let's talk about Ethereum for a second. So we are looking at dropping below this section here, and I put a box just so that we can, because we like boxes, right? We like TA, we like boxes.
we do love boxes, man.
That's
We do
the
love
box.
to buy cheap prices, you know. Like what else? Man, if you are in crypto, you should be bullish when prices are going down, because that's your opportunity to buy cheap coins.
This is going into my box, bro.
This is how you make
going to
money,
go down
guys.
to
You
one.
buy low, you sell high.
This
is what crypto is about.
This is going to like 1.2. Like I don't care what anyone says. Maybe there's some resistance at like
you have a timeline for that?
Yeah, bro. The next 2 months.
Next 3 months.
Yeah.
Okay. It's still a solid price to, like, you know, get your fucking DCA in. Probably not even right now. Hey, not even right now, because we still have, like, you know, a lot of bearish sentiment. Just wait for that moment when, like, there is like a real capitulation, because we haven't even had like the real capitulation that we had on like 10th of October, right? When everything broke out, and like we had a real capitulation, like coins basically going to zero. Some of them like literally going from couple of millions to literally zero, because there was no liquidity and the system broke. So we haven't had that type of capitulation at those low prices, which can be triggered by anything at this point, you know?
Like this is going to be key resistance right here. This marker here, like 1.5, because it extends all the way out to October 2023. So like this, you know, tested here, went below, pops its head back up. This was in the bear market. This was in the April, March time, right? So everyone said that this was the very bottom. But if Bitcoin continues in the way it's going, it's
speaking
probably
about ETH,
going to break straight
speaking about ETH, back in the days, I was joking with Trav a lot about ETH. Like, hey, if things doesn't work out, we all know what we have to do. You just buy a lot of ETH at like in the range of 1.2 to 1K. If it goes like under 9K, under 1K, I would say, you just put 10x long, 10K leverage. This is your all or nothing plan. we were literally, and we might actually get that. And I'm like crazy enough to fucking do it, like sub 1K ETH. The only shit it breaks really, and it goes like even lower, like sub 800. That's like, I say, fuck it, man. It just didn't work out because it can be, it can be like those prices when it gets like sub 1K. The people will say like, if it's going to zero, man, the system is broken, right? And even right now, as we were speaking a couple of hours ago, ETH Foundation just laid off 20% of their, because they try to restructure this DAO that they have and how things were working. Because ETH Foundation has been selling a lot of ETH, man. They've been selling like crazy for the past 2 years or 3 years. And they like laid off 20%. I don't even know what they were doing, because they try to implement new stuff, try to do. But what people just see that ETH Foundation was dumping all their ETH, right? Vitalik as well. So
well, it's not looking good.
Overall, I'm still bullish on ETH, man. I'm still bullish.
Do you know what? Like people were saying, sorry, I was getting confused here, right? This was in the bull market before its all-time high in August. So if it follows traditional trend, it would be probably August bottom for ETH. But then again, I mean, like people think that it's decoupled just because it was decoupled last cycle. Right? So like it went down to the 800 mark in June, and then in November, when Bitcoin hit its bottom, it was here and it went up to 1K. It dropped, but it went to 1K rather than retest or go below. So yeah.
It still remains to see, man, because ETH is gonna follow still Bitcoin a lot, no matter what, right? And we still remain to see what Saylor is gonna do with his STRC, like MicroStrategy. The coin itself is like dropped like crazy for the past few days, not helping the market. Like the market is, and the conditions are not helping him in any way, because if Bitcoin keeps going down,
let's put a line there just in case. Or what was it, the 25th of August?
Put a buy order, man.
Here, 24th.
Yeah.
Maybe that's...
Can't lie. I bought like, we got like 1,640. I bought like my first DCA on ETH, and then we want a little bit even lower, like 1,560, something like that, or even 40. So I got a little bit of more ETH. We had this nice small rally, just pumped like a decent like 20% almost from the bottoms, which was like a decent easy, I would say, not an easy trade, right? Just because we had to have a kind of a relief rally. I'm still confused. The next few days is gonna show us a clearer path, right? A clearer path is if Bitcoin is gonna close the daily below 62K, then man, we are going way lower, right? So the next day is gonna be very crucial.
Speaking of which, someone a bit bearish. I mean, Ansem keeps posting about it, but Solana.
When are the unlocks coming for?
Good question. Solana unlocks.
Because everyone has been bull posting Solana so heavy. Like, I mean, the trenches on Solana have been pumping quite a lot. There is like a lot of AI coins, a lot of gaming coins. They had like some mini season of gaming coins out of nowhere, just some random people bull posting some random memes, like that makes completely no sense, but it keeps the vibes alive. And Solana has pumped a little bit, but still, man, the sell pressure is insane. And if Sol is gonna crash, I'm afraid because I still do have one bag of Solana meme coin, man, that I've been believing. Hold and believe, hold and believe.
July 2nd.
July 2nd.
Yeah.
Okay, it's coming.
And then there's about so there's basically going to be $1 million July 2nd, August 2nd, September 2nd.
There is like quite a big unlock from what I've heard, but I haven't looked at that. But guys, you know what's not unlocking and actually has 40% locked, 20% of coins are burned. It's Ethos Farm. Shout out to Ethos Farm, guys. They've been sponsoring the last week live streams, and they've been sponsoring to this week live streams as well. So huge shout out. You can stake, earn PDAI. PDAI is actually looking decent as well. They will have a new theory about how the peg is gonna come to $1. So you wanna earn more PDAI? Ethos Farm is helping you. You can even provide liquidity, just stake and earn without any penalties. Just amazing, man. Just amazing. Just be a farmer, Just be a farmer. On Pulse Chain, what we gotta do? Just be a farmer and print money.
Yeah,
that's about it.
Exactly. I mean, let's have a look at a kind of broader market as well. Just looking at BNB, we'll skip through this. BNB again. Looks like it's testing this low here. Is going to break down. Or the trend.
I can't wait, man. I just want to see blood in the market.
Interesting.
At this point, I just want to see blood in the market, man.
Oof. Trend on the monthly saying down. On the daily, it's saying down.
Everything just got retracted at the resistance, right? And if 62 forms a new resistance line, if you look at Bitcoin, that it might, if it closed on the daily, on the weekly under 62, and the 62 became the new resistance, man, the way down is clear path. You can short as much as possible. If we do close positively and we close above that, then we can speak about again sideways boring few days, weeks, this month until we go into the July.
XRP same again, bro. Look at this. Is a ladder going down, bro? It's going down. It's heading down. Look how far it's down. 69% could go down to probably 80%. I think $71, I reckon. Yeah, looks like it's gonna go down. Damn.
Actually, whatever has been pumping is just based on the bullish news, and I actually post about Aerodrome. You can even add it on because it's cool stuff. Because Base will actually, when they launch the liquidity, will be using Aerodrome liquidity added to those pairs, and it's been pumping plus probably 60% in the last 1 week or 2 weeks, something like that.
Okay.
So I've posted it in my Telegram as well, probably a month or two ago. It was a nice entry at around 0.44 cents. It went a lot higher, then it dipped a little bit, and it just had a huge pump. I'm still impressed. This is one of the main dexes, and their revenue was mind blowing, man. Their revenue that they are printing, so much money, and the chart was so undervalued. It was under 350 millions. It was a lot deeper. I'll definitely pay attention and get a bag, because if AI meta is coming back, if a lot more launches and the projects are coming back to base chain, that's a huge liquidity play where you can get back. Because I had a position, I just exited at plus 15 or 20% when we got that, because after that AI just stopped. When the movements on base stop, it's you just want to get out, because it lasts for 1 month, 2 months, and then you just want to get out until the new hype comes back. And right now, with what they are doing, just integrated Aerodrome as a liquidity providing on the new contracts that are launched on Base. It's just like based on the news. If you're a good trader to trade the news, Base is one place to be. That's for sure. And I'm pretty sure there will be a couple of runners. I've been watching like A2H, a new project that they are building, the B20 contracts, and the Blue Agent also. There are like, I'm gonna scout for some of those projects for a basement, because they've been just building. And I'm not sure if, so bullish on Aero. Hey, you see, there is someone bullish. I love that base, like base.
It looks good. I mean, the chart does look pretty decent. It's clearly holding around this 32-cent mark, right? If you to chuck a box down there, and we love boxes in crypto, so we love these little, and every single time it's bouncing.
Yeah, and it had a double. We had like basically a double bottom, and it had like a higher low, and then just with the news it's blow out. What BTC is doing kind of right now, like we have double bottom, if you want to say like that, and you don't want a triple one, because that can be not helpful and just break down, right?
So you're saying this is a double bottom, right?
I would say the February low and now the June low is like we had the kind of a double bottom. If you go to retest right now, the new lows, there might not be enough bullishness or even buy powder, from outsiders, either conviction that it's weak, man. It's weak. Even the news are not supporting, because you had the no rate cuts. Bank of America says that interest rates should go up by a lot. You have they want to make even the markets unpredictable. Like they want, basically what he said, they won't disclose any information to the public and will do the work behind the scenes, right, at the Federal Reserve. So, I mean, that can be good for the markets, because it brings back the speculation a little bit more, right?
Okay.
Like, I see it that way. I don't know what's your thoughts on that? Like, just keeping the numbers behind the scene and let the public just guess up or down.
It's I guess so, but that seems like a fear tactic, right? Like it seems like a very negative tactic to use in order to protect prices of stock markets, of the general of crypto, all of that kind of stuff. So
speaking about stock markets, man, those like how much was erased this open market? It was like 1.1 trillion just wiped.
Yeah, but it's all paper value, right? In theory, it's kind of paper value. If it's like saying, Elon Musk is a trillionaire, but then it's like, well, no, on paper he's a trillionaire. So he can't cash like a trillion out. So, but yeah, I get it. Like there was a lot of. I said this on the stream yesterday, right? I said this daily pump might be a pump to just push the price up, destroy some of the shorts, and then just drop it. Drop it on his head. And that's exactly what happened.
It did. I wasn't expecting the Monday pump like that. Definitely got some liquidations. And at this point, I'm just doing nothing, just enjoying the show. I had some bags.
What about this show, bro?
Bags, have my Memecoins, and just like.
Yo, I think he's gone. What the heck? Yeah. He's getting the
we're back.
You're back.
I'm back. I mean, there is no live stream without a crash, man. Something has to happen because even my screens saw this red candles on pulse chain. I was like, I can't fucking handle that, man. How much?
Yeah, you just did, bro. Like literally, we have like a quick pump, and then this dumps off. Like this is the frustrating part of cryptos. Like you'll have like a green day like yesterday, and then just next thing you know, it's just trash. It's like gets destroyed.
I think some big stakes are also coming up for Hex. I'm not sure if that's the same guy that's the same guy that had that has 9 million Hex. I believe some of his Hex are like off, and the markets are still either preparing, either like selling off, either just the whole vibe is like dying again. We're pumping. Yeah, we saw that yesterday that we're pumping like, plus 15%.
Oh my gosh, bro. I put this up on the screen as a bit of a joke, but like, oh my goodness. We're pumping, guys. We're pumping. Oh, that is hilarious. Damn.
Yeah, you should not show me this, man. It just my stream keeps refreshing every single time.
We're pumping.
Yeah, that's pain, man. That's fucking pain.
I mean, someone screenshot this and then just like tag me in it. Just hold on. I'm just. We're pumping.
We're pumping.
I actually, I'm gonna rage bait people right now. I'm just gonna.
How is Peacock looking? Because that's the coin that we were like quite bullish. What a funny thing that Hex guy can do if he just like rotates at least 10% of his capital or 20% in like Peacock.
It's down on the week. Yeah,
okay.
It's down on the week, but like that kind of.
I like that it's respecting those lines. Yeah, it went quite on the resistance right now. It's chilling down, but we spoke that there is like a huge bid liquidity, for the Peacock on the USDC pair, on PLS pair as well, on the V2, V3. So I'm not worried. I'm actually excited to buy more if we get in that red zone, right? If we get in that red zone, I'm just praying buy. It's still holding so well against PLS, holding so well against other coins. Like, man, just give it to me. If Pulse Chain is gonna come back, I know my bags will pump, man.
Yeah. So you wouldn't buy PTGC instead? I mean, that seems very bearish on PTGC, bro.
Bro, if I had PTGC, if I was Moon King, I would dump PTGC to 0 and just buy Peacock instead. That's he will be crying that he hasn't done that.
Do you know what's pumping on the daily, bro?
On the daily, on Pulse Chain.
What? Yeah.
On Pulse Chain or what? Show me.
Yeah. The last 24 hours, Ethos is the. I mean, I don't know how correct this is, but let me just.
No. Ethos had a nice correction. Ethos has a nice correction, and it's
up
pumping.
7%
Let's
on the
fucking
day.
go, boys.
I mean, I've just gone on like 24 hours
over here.
Like what and shout out to Crypto Coffee, right? Top Hat is up.
Oh yeah, Crypto Coffee.
It's green on the day, bro.
Crypto Coffee. I know you're watching. Just reply to my DM because I sent you a DM on Discord. So let's set it up and we get the things rolling. But yeah, we have some green. I see there on 6 hours, right? 2%.
Not much. No. Yeah, well, 2% in 6 hours, bro. That's it's not.
It's fine. I'm just making fun, man, because there is.
But I mean, if you press this button here, it just looks better. Do you know what I mean? Like the cope is much easier. So like you can cope much better if you just click on this button here, and then
That's
you
right.
get to see like green stuff, you know.
Hey, sometimes those slow phases are a blessing because you get to build, you get the time to build, you get the time to think, you get the time to
Dude,
make some.
what happens to this, bro?
Oh, he removed the liquidity. He removed like a lot of liquidity.
He's rugging
Probably
everyone
like
again.
40 yeah,
Literally.
liquidity, and it's left like 10K. Just made it a little bit lighter, but it's still printing. You know, can't blame the man is doing his thing. I have no
He's eating
idea.
well, bro. He's eating well.
He's eating well.
Much better than
He's
everyone else in
eating
his
fucking
ecosystem.
well, man. You know,
Everyone
W
else in his ecosystem is like fucked, basically.
5D chess, 300 IQ. You know, some people just have it, man.
How bullish are you on this, bro? I got a friend who's ultra bullish,
Ah,
and I think
I
this is
mean,
going lower, bro.
man, I said it that ProveX might be the one that will pump the most when the time is right. Right now, maybe maybe we get like a double, triple bottom, and yeah, because the thing is, for ProveX to work, the meta has to come in, the timing has to come in, the founder has to come back with being actual bullish and provide the direction, right? Because he's not providing. I don't know what he has been tweeting lately, some random stupid stuff again that has no real, no, how you say, I don't even want to say, because PDI people
Substance?
again just just PDI people again just see those weird posts and they're like, oh my god, it's a cryptic message, bro. It's just a fucking weird ass message. There is nothing cryptic into that, you know. But he's been posting some weird.
He was
fucking
talking.
stuff.
Well, no, he was talking about this. I mean, like I saw this, right, and he's just talking about Chinese cars and how good they are. And he was going on about this SUV that's 57K that did Nuremberg in 7.7 minutes 22, but then the same one did 10 minutes 29 seconds.
I mean,
I'm
he's
like,
kind of fucking late, bro. Money
but
gang,
you know,
he's so fucking late because speed. I probably hundreds of thousands of kids know that information way before, because speed was in fucking China like 1 year ago.
Yeah, I know,
Almost
yeah,
1 year ago.
yeah.
And he did a live stream to the whole people, and he showed the car live, how fast it was and how cheap it was, right? It was not yet in Europe in even. And all the people, like a lot of people know about that. I was like, what's cryptic about that, man? I just, China making better stuff, cheaper, faster, and better quality. We know that, 2026. There's nothing cryptic in that. But man, whatever. I do believe like Pulse Chain have the opportunity to capture that privacy thing. Like, I'm still bullish, but something has to change, man. Something fucking has to change for things to work out. Like, whatever, stablecoin, privacy, just decentralized, just get the shit together, build the fucking plan, get the mission out to the people so they can spread the correct mission. Don't misinform, don't post random stuff that people take out of context. And then things looks bright. And then ProveX actually have a use case, a workable product, an application maybe for people that can use with mobile and fast. We have a Liberty Swap that literally can do a lot of things, just bridge in, bridge out, privacy, full privacy. They have the ZK2P integrated with the Railgun privacy, integrated in the wallet that is like decentralized.
Yeah.
Liberty is building like a lot of cool stuff, and even their application will go live soon on
the new wallets is going to be on mobile, right? ZK.
Yeah, shout out to Liberty, man. Shout out to Liberty Swap. They are just keep building and delivering stuff. So that's one thing that is keeping me really in Pulse Chain, because there is something bright about this chain. I have no idea who's behind that, man. but we were in a fighting love story from the beginning, because I was going ham on them, they were going ham on me. Then we got together, worked some things out, worked together a lot on just, getting it back on track. So I'm very happy that they're keep delivering.
These are
Despite
the best performers over the year, and you can see even something that's been, excuse my pun, hyped up. Hyperliquid only did 65% over the year. The real winners has been Zcash. Zcash has been the big one.
It's still holding,
crazy,
right?
Yeah, this is on the yearly time frame of the last year. Yeah. So, and then Telegram, bro, is just launched.
What is Gram, bro?
Pretty
what
sure
is
this
even
Telegram. I'm pretty sure Gram is Telegram, no?
Gram is Telegram? No, Ton is from, at least. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I just went on Pulse Chain rant for 5-10 minutes. No, sometimes it happens. I still love you guys. Still love the community, man. The people are awesome. There are a lot.
No. It is Gram is Telegram. I'm pretty sure they've changed the name.
Stock or what?
Previously Toncoin. They rebranded to Gram. GRAM. Yeah. So it was a new chart, I think.
Oh, really? From when did it rebranded from Ton to Gram?
Don't know. I did see someone posting about it and talking about it the other day, but
I'm not sure. But
is this
interesting?
This is the one.
Bro, it's insane. Look at Polygon, like those old coins, everything is so down. Doge minus 51%, Pepe minus 70%, Polygon, like what the fuck? Who the fuck used Polygon? XRP down, ENA down, Arbitrum so much down. Bro, Jupiter, like, I have no idea. They're filtering so much money. They have the best product in the world for Solana, and Jupiter is still like down insane. They had huge airdrops, like unbelievable, man. There is Meteora actually, which is not on this thing, but is also the DEX that is pulling the most, probably 1/3 of the whole Solana volume. And Solana has over 1.3 billion volume on the daily, and they're pulling like insane numbers. Like the revenue is insane, and the coin is probably at 100 millions. Well, I'm actually gonna search for Meteora, because there is no way they're so undervalued. Some of those coins, if they were in 2000, if they were like in 2021, those coins would have been like, man, probably in billions range, right? Billions. Like, if you are bullish on something like PulseX, why you not looking on something bigger, like that is working and is bringing real revenue, real buy and burns? They are actually doing insane buy and burns.
Like Hyperliquid.
Oh my God, it went so low. It actually went to 50 million mark. It's just been downtrending a lot. It looks like it had a nice pump, 50% pump in the last.
What are you talking about here?
I'm speaking about the DEX Meteora, basically what conducts.
Meteor from Solana.
Meteora. Is it on this? It's not. It's not. It had it kind of ICO this year or last year, end of 2025.
I think it went live last year. Yeah, I don't think it was this year.
It's super crazy that they were like, man, they're pulling like 1/3 of the volume on Solana, right? And they have like huge fees, a lot of buy and burns, and it's still under 100 million. Like that's to me insane, man. You know what, DEX with so much value, it's sitting under 100 millions. Maybe there is an opportunity, there is just too much, so you have to be right with the right timing.
Yeah, you have to make the right decision. That's the problem. Yeah. What do you buy, and is it a case where you get like a Polygon situation where it doesn't come back?
Yeah, I don't believe. I mean, bro, Polygon, they had some bullish news, They had, you know what was the bullish news actually for Polygon, that they actually Revolut partner. So Revolut is one of the biggest crypto, and like banking platforms over there, and they were running their transactions through Polygon, which actually was quite the bullish news. But even that didn't help, man.
I mean,
Even
it's,
that didn't help.
you were talking about this. Is this bullish for Bitcoin? Sorry, is this bullish for Ethereum in the future, bro? Jay, let's have this conversation. Is this bullish?
I mean, I
for
just
Ethereum?
we just said that in the beginning of the stream that
I know, but like thinking about it, is it bullish in the long term for Ethereum?
I mean, less people to press the sell button on the coins. Maybe if that helps, that's bullish. But
I mean,
I do say yes. I do say yes. A smaller group with a concrete mission, right? How to make the product better is way.
that's us,
yeah,
at
man.
this guy,
Maybe it's for the best. Maybe it's for the best. If there are like the smart people that really want to put the hard work and get like the Ethereum Foundation also has lost the plot. They're doing some random stupid shit, man. They're hiring some random people and just selling coins, trying to, to incentivize some other layer 2 protocol, just offshoring all the users that they had. For me, it's like, man, what are you doing, guys? There is Solana, which basically attracted like 80% of the degens from all over the chains, and you're trying to offload your users to layer 2 coins. Even Base had a way better successful season, or not season, but year, than Ethereum, right? Ethereum peps, they're just staying in the corner for the last 4 years and just watching like that. Like, where is the fucking cap, man? I need a McDonald's cap. I'm gonna go to that corner and get
Bitmine's nearly 10 billion
10 billion.
in loss. Yeah.
I won't cry about my bags, but
10 billion.
I feel the pain, man. You want to go through some comments that we had? We have been live pretty much.
The comments are dry, bro. I'll be honest with you, man.
Comments are dry.
Crypto was bullish on Aero. Someone said, "Hey up, nice to see your chain pulse hex." And then we had Franklin saying, "Harry Kane scoring how many goals this World Cup?" Oh, good question.
Who's that guy?
It's England's #1 striker, bro. Like
when are we playing? When are we playing?
Tonight. Well, today.
Tonight?
Today, yeah.
Okay.
They're playing Ghana. In the bro. I mean, like the only thing I'm bullish on right now is the World Cup, and it's terrible because they keep like loads of influencers on the internet keep calling it goy ball. It's like goy ball, because they're like, oh bro, all the goys are watching it, as a distraction so that they can have like nationalism without violence, essentially. So I was like, okay, let's just enjoy it. Let me enjoy some goy ball, bro.
Some of those games were really brutal, man. Like 5-0, 7-1. What was the highest score like? Do you know any of that?
There was a 5-1 Netherlands versus Sweden. I was with a bunch of Swedish guys watching that, and Swedish girls, and fucking yeah. And then there was 7-1 Germany versus Curacao. That was another one that did well. US 4-1 against Paraguay. The US actually looking pretty good. I'm not going to lie, but again, they're playing crap teams. So Canada beat Qatar 6-0. They decided to expand it for like commercial purposes, the amount of teams. So there's more games, and they have these hydration breaks, which is basically like the NFL equivalent now of like adverts, within the hydration breaks. But yeah, I mean, like
back in the days, MoneyGang, wasn't it back in the days like 24 teams or like way less, and they had almost just a group stage?
Yeah, they
just
doubled
group stage for 4 quick. You go on, you have the playoffs, you have like huge, intense, like 2-3 weeks, and you have like real pleasure of watching. You were what right now is like a clown fiesta, man.
Yeah, bro, they've doubled it, bro. They've doubled it. And
Double.
I mean, yeah, I think they doubled the teams to like 48 teams now. So kind of sucks.
Double the pain.
But yeah, England versus Ghana tonight, and Harry Kane. Harry Kane, how many goals is he going to get? I mean, he got 2 in the first game. Second game, he's just got to catch up with Messi, basically. Messi is top scorer, I think. So, yeah, it's going to be interesting. Yeah. So Messi's playing like prime Messi, bro.
Bro, they are like, you know, they're like,
it makes you think, bro. It's like maybe there's
full peptides, you know.
Yes.
Actually, peptides meta is gonna come back, so we gotta load up in some of those coins on Solana, because you never know. They just
this is what all the degens are doing now, bro. They're literally like they're done with crypto. They're just like watching World Cup.
Oh,
and I get it.
Yeah,
I get it, bro. I'd do the same, man. It's like just get distracted for a few more months, and then you're back on it. You know, back into the trenches, and hopefully stuff starts taking off. Hopefully we bottom for Ethereum in August, but my personal opinion, it might even be August to November, and then Bitcoin drops in October probably, and then boom, you know, we're off to the races again. Up only season, hopefully.
Well, hopefully, because it's been rough, man. It's been rough. Like, it's
are you giving up, bro? Your bullishness from yesterday is just like dips. You've just like done a 99%.
You know, if you keep showing me those bearish charts, you might give me an influx of bearishness. But I'm still cool, still on my bags. You know, sitting, waiting patiently. Like sometimes you're just. Sometimes in crypto, the best thing you can do is do nothing. So that's me. Just working. We are building, guys. We are building the trench capital. Make sure to drop a follow, a like, support us. Join the Telegram, left top corner. Just easy scan, bam bam.
We're pumping.
Yep, we're pumping. That's funny, man. Hey, we'll change. Just clip that. We're pumping.
Messi holds the World Cup most goals ever. Broke the record last game. I think Mbappe is even scarier. He's one behind the Messi, and will be playing other World Cup games at such a young age. USA is going to win the whole thing. Yeah, USA, bro. USA. I love their chants, and I love their ultras. I think they're the scariest ultras. When I think about teams that I'm worried about and crowds that I'm worried about, it's the USA ultras. I do worry. I think they're renowned, man. They're renowned, right? Like it's like you never know what's going to happen with the ultras.
What's the prediction? Who wins?
France, bro. I think France win it.
France?
I think France.
I say Norway, man. Just fucking Viking.
But Norway, Norway look good, momentum.
Bro, Norway will carry the when you get like that huge crowd and you had like that huge momentum and the spirit inside you, it just the mindset itself is incredible what it can do to the whole body, to the everything. So I believe the mindset and the whole momentum that they get from those past few days will carry them on to the final. Easy. Norway for the win, man.
Okay, Norway's your prediction.
Norway for the win, guys. Easy bet.
Take that.
Just a gut feeling.
So we're doing predictions for the World Cup, right? But we're a crypto channel, so I need your predictions on this because I'm gonna show you real quick. Okay.
Oh, I'm
predictions wise. When does this get into profit? Okay. When does this here? Yeah, right.
Next 2 years.
2 years.
You know. Yeah. We waited like 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, we can wait 2 years, man. Easy. 2 years. 27, 28. Money
So,
printing.
so in 2 years' time, you're saying that Ethereum's going to be higher than $3,882.
I would say pool chain people gonna be rich ASF, and
I want to make a
they're
parlay.
gonna be
Who should
donating
I bet on
on
today?
Trench
They're
Capital,
definitely, yeah.
leaving messages. Yeah, man.
They're getting Trench
100%.
Capital, guys. Is up in the top left corner. I'm trying to reduce the spammy tweet bot that we have right now because all the tweets
Actually,
come
Money
from-
Gang, have a look at the scan bot because I tried to scan something as well, and
Oh
it
no,
doesn't,
I accidentally pulled it
up.
out. I accidentally pulled it out. I was meant to pull out
Oh.
the I'll put it back in at some point.
Sweet.
No one was using the scanner, so I was like,
I
okay,
was using, man. I was using.
Well, then I'll just put you
yeah.
into the into. I want to make a parlay. Who should I bet on today? Let's have a look at a parlay, bro. Let's see who's playing right now. So you've got 4 games that are going to be on. Portugal versus Uzbekistan. I'd be very surprised if Portugal don't win. Yeah, exactly. England, Ghana. I think England going to win. Panama, Croatia.
Imagine who else?
Panama, Croatia.
I guess it's Croatia.
And then tomorrow, Colombia. Well, to the late game is Colombia, Congo, DR Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo. I'll go Colombia. Like that's what you would say, but then like I wouldn't be surprised if like one of these teams like draws. You know, like Colombia, DR would draw or something like that. So I would stick to the parlay being Portugal, England. Portugal, England, Croatia, with maybe a Harry Kane scoring, a Bruno Fernandes assist on Portugal, and for Croatia, I don't know who. I mean, Croatia to score more than 2 goals.
You know what, Money Gang? That's an actually fun segment that we can do at the end of those streams. You know, as long as World Cup keeps going, we can do like a prediction on the match, because we are basically starting a little bit earlier than the whole games, right?
Yeah. We're starting before the games, so we could do prediction marks. Like,
right?
I made like a little prediction bot for the group that tries to like you basically bet on the price of Bitcoin, whether it's going to be higher or lower. So it's like you're putting a long on or a short on for the day, and then 24 hours later it gives you the results. So that was something I was going to put out, but I need this prediction, man. So you said 2 years for this. 2 years. Okay. All right. So 2 years.
He'll be like way up.
So you're way up. Okay. So we're talking we're June 2026 right now. So you're talking basically June 28, right? June 28.
Yeah, close to the elections, right?
Oh yeah, November 2028. Yeah, that would be the elections. Yes.
Yeah. Pump time. Print.
When's the next halving?
Halving
2028, right? March 2028, I think.
Something like that. Yeah.
You could be. I don't know if it'll be at that. April
you can say like the
2028.
exact like month, but
So it would have been post halving. No, I mean post halving. Like a few months in as well. So usually you get that pump coming into end of probably November. You know, you might get some sideways action in the summer, but yeah, you could be right on that. Like you could actually see, not right as in I don't think the price would be over 3,800, but I wouldn't be surprised if Ethereum's at like 3K around that mark.
Next way up there won't be like 2K, 3K, 4K. It will be way up. It will go like parabolic. It should go like
really
5.5 and higher, man. There is no if it goes up, it will fucking send. If it goes up, it will fucking send, because there is no in between, man. For me, there is no in between. There is not going back to only 3K and go down, going to 3.8 and go down. For me, the next run, it should fucking break out this 4 or 5 year course that has been bouncing and ranging. You know, it really has to fucking break out and go like above 5.5K. If not, it's fail. It's gonna go to zero easy. That was it, boys. And your blockchain will prevail. Something better will come. You know, maybe automated
Solana will prevail.
AI.
Solana will take over if that's the case. Or
Yeah,
it will. Yeah.
It's already there. But yeah, guys.
Cool. I mean, we've kind of gone on.
You know, it's been a good one. We got even some World Cup predictions in.
I told you, bro. I'm giving you my parlay, not financial advice. So you know, maybe I should put a parlay on tonight. Yeah, we'll see. Make a little bet. Polymarket, maybe.
That's right.
Polymarket or BC game or something. Anyway, guys, I appreciate all of you. If you haven't already, like, join the group as well. And yeah, if you're on the replay gang, I know some of you can't make it for the time zone. Look, heads up, guys. The one thing that they've said, you know, shout out to the White House is, you know, because we're in these assets and we're really like excited about it. Record oil is flowing and gas prices are tumbling. Be grateful, bro. Be grateful that Bitcoin isn't pumping, but guess what? Oil is dumping now, and it's now priced at $70. So, GG's. On that note, let's end the stream. Take care, guys, and I appreciate all of you.